Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm thrilled to bring you another step-by-step tutorial today. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of managing and resetting your YouTube recommendations. So, when you navigate to youtube.com, you'll notice a bunch of video recommendations on your homepage. These suggestions are tailored based on your watch history. For instance, if you've been into dog videos lately, your homepage will likely be flooded with adorable canine content. To take control of this and start fresh, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, head over to your data in YouTube. Scroll down until you find Watch History and click on it. Here, you can either pause your watch history to prevent future recommendations or reset it completely. For a full reset, scroll further down and find Manage Activity. Click on it, and you'll see a delete button. Go ahead and click it. You can choose the time range for deletion, whether it's the last hour, day, or all time. In this case, to completely reset, select all time. Confirm your choice, and it will display a list of every video you've ever watched. Feel free to review it, and if you're ready, hit that delete button. Once you've done this, your watch history is wiped clean. The next time you visit youtube.com, you'll notice a completely different set of recommendations because your preferences have been reset. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.